Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we'll check the currently wallpaper. So that's how look this picture. And now just to change the lock screen wallpaper, you should go into the settings application. So brightness here, and now just here tap on the home screen, lock screen and display, and scroll a little bit down to the wallpaper section, tap there, and now as can you see, we got here the static wallpapers, the default ones, the photos from our device or downloaded from internet or previously taken photos they can be here on this folder. Also the live wallpapers. For example, we'll go with the default ones, and just for example we'll select one from this wallpaper. We can just see them here by this way, and now just tap here to apply, and we want to apply only the lock screen, so tap there and wait a second. Now we'll check that. So as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.